Hello, good day. So this is a short tutorial regarding or an introduction regarding Zoom. So for those who are asking what is Zoom and how does it work, well, Zoom is like actually a virtual conferencing platform wherein you know you can have video conference or virtual meeting, especially in this time of pandemic. So um, you can just select any browser that you want. You may go to the www.zoom.us or zoom.us. And so here is the landing page of Zoom. So in Zoom, you have the resources here if you wanna install Zoom in your device, in your laptop, in your desktop, or as an add-ins to your browsers or even to your mobile phones. You may just click these resources here, then download Zoom clients. Then you have the downloadable versions for meetings, for plugin for Microsoft Outlook, for IBM Notes, for extension of browsers, for mobile apps in App Store and in Google Play, client plugin for sharing iPhone, iPad, and Zoom rooms for conference rooms, touchscreens, displays. So if you want to install your Zoom in your device, just click this download button, run it, and install it in your device. So you may also need to sign in Zoom, and then you may sign in using your Google account or Facebook account. Well, in this tutorial, let me show you how to use Zoom using your Google account. Just click Google, and then try to sign in with your existing Google account. And here, you'll be using the same username and password in your Google account in signing in with your Zoom account. Now, um, in this dashboard here, in this landing page of your Zoom account using your Google account, it's very easy to schedule a meeting. You have the buttons schedule a meeting or join a meeting, or you may have the schedule a meeting in this button. Okay, so whatever it is that you'd like, just click schedule a meeting, and then here's your topic or the topic of your meeting. Let's say meeting trial 2, and then you may just copy and paste description, or you'd like to put description and then the date and the time. So the date and the time, for example, just like this one. Now however, you have this. If you click on the plans and pricing, I'll make another tab. Since we have the basic plan for Zoom, so the basic plan or the free plan is just applicable to host up to 100 participants in the meeting and group meetings for up to 40 minutes. So you only have up to 40 minutes, and you also have unlimited one-on-one meetings. But if you'd like to have the license upgrade to pro or for small and medium businesses, so you have this pricing here available. Now, one good thing is you can increase participants up to 1,000 with large meeting add-ons and group meetings for up to 30 hours instead of the free version of 40 minutes. Well, for client-based enterprises, that is good for them. But for personal use, for personal meeting, the basic or the free plan is just okay. So going back, instead of having the 1 hour here, let's just set to 0, and then let's just select 45 minutes because anyway the basic plan is good for 40-minute time limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. So I'll just have the time zone, and then if that's a recurring meeting and your passcode. This is very important so that uh, to put passcode so that for the security of your meeting and not all of the persons not invited will be able to access your Zoom meetings. Okay. Also, another layer of security is by enabling the waiting room so that you as the organizer should need to admit first the persons in the waiting room so that not all persons unauthorized will be able to join your meeting, And then you have also the option to either on or off the video, okay, of the host, and on and the off the video of the participants. You also have these options to allow participants to join anytime. I'll just leave check. Then mute participants upon entry for you not to or for the participants not to disturb other participants in the meeting. If, for example, their mic are turned on. Then you may also have to select automatically record meeting in the local computer as long as before recording or before the start of the meeting, you're going to inform the participants of your meeting that uh, the meeting will be recorded. So for those, you need to get the consensus of the participants. Otherwise, you will be asked to, I mean, you will ask the participants to leave if they would not like to be part of the recording. Okay, you also have this option to approve or block entry for users from specific countries or regions. Like, for example, only allow countries from the Philippines to join, I mean, users from the Philippines to join, or you could also block users from specific country. For example, let's say I'm going to block all those from Singapore or from other areas, like, for example, let's say Italy. So you may do so, or you can only allow for specific countries or regions. But in this case, I'll just left it unchecked and then I'll click save. So now I'll be able to add my meeting in my Google Calendar, in Outlook Calendar, in Yahoo Calendar, or and also I can also copy this invitation and then this one and copy meeting invitation. Then I'll be able to send and pay. I'll be able to paste it and send it to different virtual platforms like in Messenger, in WhatsApp, in Viber, in Instagram, or wherever you'd like, or you can even email it to your respective participants. So then afterwards, if the meeting is already, if the schedule of the meeting is already there, you may opt to start the meeting for your so that your participants will be able to come to your meeting, and then you, since you have checked the meet in the meeting options earlier to have the waiting room, so you need to approve them first. See, you need to approve them, you need to admit for them first so that they'll be able to join the meeting. Okay, so that's how you schedule a meeting. Actually, there are three there. So how you install, I mean, download and install Zoom application in your device, signing in Zoom using your Google account, and then how to schedule a meeting using your Zoom account. So I hope this helps you at least a little bit. Then thank you so much and good day, everyone.